So I bought a 1993 Ford F-350. It's a crew cab, long bed, got the 460 in it. We're going to pick it up right now and actually get it running to drive it back down to Boulder. It hasn't ran in like 10 years. A little bit of a project, but it's a cool truck, rust-free. It's a one-owner truck too, so we're headed up there right now to get it. Just picked up all these wheels and tires. They're original OBS Ford wheels. They came off of a 96, so they're gonna look cool on the truck. Somehow we squeezed them all in. One strapped to the roof, and the three other ones we stuffed in the back. Getting the gas tank and siphon tool to get all the old gas out of there. Gotta get a battery for it too. Buy a couple quarts of 5W20 for the old 460. Picking up some ETF for it too, just to be sure. I bought 12 gallons of water, put all the old gas into too. We'll use the siphon tool, get all that old stuff out, and then put it in these. We'll drain those out first. All right, here we are at the farm. This is the truck. It's been sitting there for 10 years. We're gonna try to get it running and road trip it back down to Boulder. But it's a super clean truck. That's the worst of the rust on the whole thing. All original, one owner. Step one, we're gonna get these old wheels off of here and put the new ones on. These tires are flat, but some of these lug nuts are sticking. They're being a pain. We'll get them. Got the rear two on. Now I got to do this front one. So clear out these tumbleweeds. Get all that under there. Dirty. Sorry for the noise. They're doing road construction right there. Replacing this old battery, putting a new one in there. So I'm gonna hit it with some PB Blaster on the nuts and bolt. All right, now I'm checking the oil on it. Yeah, it's actually right at full. Doesn't look that bad either. Now I'm checking which tank has the least amount of gas. All right, so see when I flip it onto the rear, it shows pretty much empty in that tank. Then when I flip it to the front tank, fills all the way back up to past full. So I just opened up the rear tank and that cap wasn't even on it. And there's a huge beehive in here. So hopefully there's no bees down in the tank. Okay, so we got the pump in here. And I'm gonna start pumping it out. Might be dry. Yeah. I think we're good. Hopefully the engine's not seized. Alright, so I'm having a no start or a no crank issue right now. I tried pulling the starter out and we got that tested, it's alright. So now I'm gonna replace the solenoid right here on the inner fender. So hopefully that's the cause of the problem. Alright, I got the new one installed there. Now I'm gonna hook up the battery and then try it again. Nothing? Nothing. So this should make it crank over. We have this piece of shit Walmart battery, so we had to jump it with the Jeep. So we give it another go. Yep. Got her going. No smoke or anything. Got brakes too. Oh yeah. First drive in 10 years. See how she does. Power steering's perfect. And shifting through the gears really good too. Got it up to 45 now. Man, this thing's quiet. Ride's so smooth. Now. A little bit of an exhaust leak, you can hear it down there, but it's not bad. Alright, let's check these brakes. Oh yeah, they're good. A little soft. Alright, let's go. Got the old girl running. First time in 10 years. She looks so good on the new wheels and tires. Super quiet too. It's running really smooth. Yeah, it's a very straight, clean truck.